All right, y'all. I actually took a third trade, really bad, but we finally inversed the IFEG to the upside, which is what I should have been waiting for. And at this point, this should be the only valid trade that plays out. If we lose today, we have no trades tomorrow, which is good. No, the market's closed tomorrow, and then obviously, I honestly, um, probably won't trade Monday if I lose this trade, but I think we should be good to go. We inverse this 1 minute to the upside. We're about to retap it. This one here. Now, if we close below it again, I don't know what to do. Well, I'll move my stop to here. Now, there we go. Right below liquidity on the upside, we do this big fair value gap here, but we're finally pushing up to the other side out of a 1 hour gap, so we should run through this gap. Run through this gap, and then push up, and I can hopefully take something. I would love it to just go to 50 or 100. We could trail tight if we, it's just we're in a weird place. Again, I think we're still gonna push. Now we're back in drawdown. Bouncing off that 200 EMA, but we're still above. We're still above the 9 and the 21. This is just a lagging one, and like I said, we came out at 1 hour for value gap. Shit balls. If we close below this one again, hopefully we retest these EMAs. There is still this big ass gap here we didn't retest. That's why I'm like, ugh, that's a big stop if we're wrong and it just comes all the way down. But we should. Now we just need, like I said, this here swept and pushed it back above. Don't do this. I never do this. Like I said, this is something I never do. So if I wind up losing today with these 3 losses, it just is what it is. I got excited. It's what happens to me. Like, emotionally, I get close. I get in a win streak. And, like, I'm good with the sizing I had. That's why I had a win streak. As soon as sizing up, it is what it is. And, oof. Do I want to close this? Yeah, I'm close.
Order filled.
Dang! I crash out.